Good morning children. Today we shall learn about what are our basic needs. My needs water. We already know water is an important part of our life. Not just human. Animals and plants also requires water. Can you live without water children? No, we cannot live without water. We know that all living things need water. We need water for activities like bathing, cooking, washing, cleaning, brushing, etc. Animals need water for drinking and bathing. Animals need water for drinking and bathing. Plants need water to grow. Water for needed plants to grow healthy and look fresh. That means all living things need water to live. Why do we need water children? We need water for many purposes. Bathing, cooking, washing, cleaning, brushing. Look at here. Many pictures are given here. Water can be used for bathing, cooking and washing your clothes, washing your cycle, washing your father's car, etc. Also water can be used for cleaning floors and watering plants. There are many more activities for which we need water. They are: water helps to digest the food we eat. It is also helps in flushing out the undigested food from our body. Many plants grow in water. You can see any two water plants? Yes, water lily and lotus. Many animals live in water. Can you say children to water animals? Fish, octopus, etc. Plants need water to make their food. Where do we get water from? Where all we can find water children? Water is found in pond, river, lake, sea, etc. We get water from many sources. These sources can be natural sources or man-made sources. Natural means things that have been provided by nature. Man-made means things made by human. Some natural sources of water are rainwater, waterfall, river, stream, lake and pond. The main sources of water is rainwater. See, rainwater fills up river, ponds and lake. See, this is natural sources of water. Some man-made sources of water are tap, hand pump, tube well, tank and dam. Have you ever tried to pump water from hand pump? Hand pumps are used to draw water from tube wells. A dam is a wall built across a river to hold back water. See children, these are natural sources of water and these are man-made sources of water. Rainwater, waterfall, river, stream, lake, pond, these are natural sources of water. Tap, hand pump, tube well, tank, dam, these are man-made sources of water. Sources of water. Rain is the main sources of water. The other sources of water is the snow on the mountains. The snow melts during the summers and changes into water. Thus the lake, rivers, ponds and streams get filled up. Rain is the main sources of water. Dash is the main sources of water. Rain. Some mountains are covered with the snow. The snow melts into water. Some amount of water seeps into the soil and is stored there. This is called underground water. We dig wells and tube wells to take this water out. Some rainwater goes into the ground and stored there. So some water is found underground and we call it underground water. Most people live in villages, dig wells to get this water. Presence of water in food. Water is also present in the food we eat. Some fruits like watermelon, melon and oranges contains water. Some vegetables like spinach also contain water. Milk also contains water. Water is present naturally in these food items and therefore such food is good for health. Do you eat these fruits in summer, children? How do you feel? Yes, it is very tasty. Let's go over. All living things need water. Water can be obtained from natural as well as man-made sources. Water helps us to digest our food. It also flushes the undigested food out of our body. Rainwater is the main sources of water. Dash is the main sources of the water. Rainwater is the main sources of water. Water is also naturally present in some fruits and vegetables. So children, water is very useful for us. We should not waste water. Next class, I will give the question answers. Thank you.